Looking for a compact air fryer that saves space but still delivers amazing food? You are in the right place. In this video, we will walk you through the best small air fryers of 2025. These are perfect for small kitchens, dorm rooms, or anyone cooking for one or two people. We have handpicked them based on size, power, ease to use, and real customer reviews. I have left all the links in the description. You can check them for more information. If you want a small, smart, and super space efficient air fryer, the Chefman 2 Quart Mini Air Fryer is a top choice. It lets you easily set the time and temperature up to 400 Fahrenheit on the touchscreen display, so cooking is a breeze. It cooks up to 3 times faster than the regular oven, perfect for quick meals. Plus, it's healthier. Using little to no oil, you can enjoy crisp, tasty food without all the extra fat. The compact square basket is perfect for 1 to 2 people, and its slim design fits neatly on your countertop or cabinet. A cool feature, it beeps halfway through cooking to remind you to shake for the perfect crunch. Clean up a snap with a non-stick dishwasher safe basket. Plus, it has an auto shut off for safety when cooking is done or if the basket is removed. With the 1 year warranty, the Chefman Mini is reliable, easy to use option for healthier meals. Looking for an air fryer that can do it all? The Kasuri Turbo Blaze 6 quarter air fryer is a great pick. 3600 RPM fan speed and temperature up to 450 Fahrenheit, ensuring beyond crispy, juicy perfection. Its precise airflow and temperature controls evenly cooked food with perfectly balanced texture and making it ideal for jerky fruits. 6 quart scare basket provides ample space for larger family meals with a whisper quiet operation for under 53 dB. It's perfect for peaceful kitchen environment. It's using 95% less oil than traditional frying, so you can enjoy crispy meals without the guilt. The dishwasher safe non-stick basket and detachable accessories make cleanup a breeze. Plus, the customizable pre-heat function allows you to adjust for optimal results or keep it for convenience. Included with the dehydrated is a user manual, a 300 SP cookbook, and cooking charts to help you get started. Easy to use addition into any kitchen. The Kasuri 2.1 quad air fryer is a small powerhouse, ideal for dorm rooms, tiny kitchens, or cooking for one or two. It's lightweight, just under 5 pounds, so it's easy to handle, even for seniors. You can air fry, reheat, roast, or bake your favorite food quickly. It uses 95% less oil than deep frying. You can enjoy light, crispy meals. The 2.1 quart size is perfect for smaller portions, and it even reheats leftovers like fries or pizza so they stay crispy. Cleaning is super easy too. Just toss the non-stick parts in the dishwasher. Plus, it comes with 30 recipes on the app. Simple, compact, and efficient. This is your go-to air fryer for everyday meals. If you are looking for a stylish and efficient air fryer, the Bella 4 quarter air fryer has you covered. It's sleek, space saving, and perfect for cooking larger meals up to 3.3 pounds of food. The Evergold ceramic non-stick coating is free from harmful chemicals like PFAS, PFOA, and lead, making cleanup safe and easy. With the 1300 watts of power and circular heat technology, it cooks food evenly and quickly. The digital controls and 6 cooking presets, air fry, bake, roast, and more makes cooking a breeze. Plus, its modern design will look great in the kitchen, practical and stylish. This air fryer does it all. The Dash Tasty Crisp Air Fryer is perfect option if you are looking for something compact and stylish. It uses air crisp technology to cook with little to no oil, reducing fat up to 80%. Whether you are making veggies, frozen snacks, or small meals, it gets the job done easily. The 2.6 quart basket is ideal for 1 to 2 people, making it great for small kitchens, dorms, or RVs. It has a cool touch handle, auto shut off for safety, and it's super easy to clean with its non-stick coating. Whether you are roasting, baking, or crisping, this air fryer makes quick, healthy meals with minimal mess. So, which small air fryer is right for you? The Chefman Mini is great for quick, small meals. The Kosori Turbo Blaze gives you extra power and speed for family size portion. The Dash Tasty Crisp is the compact hero for healthy meals with less oil. No matter what you are looking for, one of these air will fit perfectly in your kitchen. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check the links in the description for more details. See you in the next video. Until then, take care.